Alright guys, this is assembly of Space Invaders Frenzy. It's going to come with the seats already put together, unless it doesn't fit in the door, but if it doesn't fit in the door, it comes apart there in the middle. It'll come in this box that's already covered, the 2 screens and the 2 feet. A bucket of wires and stuff. And you'll need this crank stand from the old 85-inch plasma to pick it up. The hooks go underneath that bar. They have to actually go under it first. And if you want to be super safe, you can do those clips, but that's going to end up aggravating you later. So. And when you crank it up high enough, you're just going to drop these little bars into the feet. Yeah, actually.
Alan?
Sí. Muchas gracias. And once you get them lined up, you lower the screen into the feet. Pull out the crank stand. And then you're going to flip these things around so you can grab this panel with the crank stand and put it on top of the other one. Same thing, once you get it lined up, you're going to put the crank stand arms into this little slot right there. And before you raise it up any further, you're going to want this power cord right here. It plugs into this corner. That lights up the top of the display. There's Velcro right there. Then you'll crank it the rest of the way up, put it on top of this, and then when you clear this, just push them together and line these up and then drop that sucker in there. And in the bucket of wires, you should have an Allen key. You'll need a power strip, power wires, and video cables. And there's these bolts that you put in to hold everything together. We're not going to do that for the video, but you put them in to these holes. And on the other side too. That just holds everything together. And each panel needs a power cable plugged into it. The panels are, the plugs go into there. These boxes on each side. And up there. And there's another power thing right there. There's also the video cables, or Cat5 or Ethernet cables, whatever you want to call them. They plug into the same spots on this one. They're labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first one goes to the second one, and then you'll plug one from the second one to the third one, third to the fourth one. And the very first one also comes from the Space Invaders seats.